Oh, that's so cute to see. Jasonjae gifting Isabella and imisibbnaija. That's so thoughtful. I know this moment, the moment they, collaborate with him, the moment they sang with him, they were just like so surprised. I was so surprised because people just highlighted on this. I was like, that's so cute to see though. If you recall the moment they, sang with vibe on that his dance challenge. Guys, make sure you watch this video to the very end because there is more to watch. And so cute. The both bags are looking Gucci. Okay guys, that's good to see. How does that make you feel? That's so kind of him, right? Catch you in my next clip, okay?
People trying to hack into my accounts. I don't even know what's going on with my IG. My IG is just kind of on the spot, and it's just there. I don't know. Yeah. Some of them are toxic. I beg. Social life. Fans could be toxic. I've seen that with my own eyes coming out of this house. Now it's crazy.
That's cute to see the chaotic fighting for Kaybobo. Anyway, guys, engage, like, share, comment. So when the is clicking, definitely to be brought to your doorstep. Don't leave it there. Always tune in and stay tuned. This one say, my love, Kaybobo. Please tell those bastards they will come for you unprovoked, and you and your 1% fans will come and defend them. They start shouting Biatazi. They want to Ruboy and Joanna Osni. Shock them. We love you too so much, self. So you can see what Kaybobo was saying about when he was live. Okay, he was on live and people were just trying to hear from me. He was just reading out loud what people were saying, and that people now the Kaybobo now check him and say, please, oh, we don't want you to be dragged. And if you watch, he said something about his IG account being hacked, and the fans were like, oh, one worry, them still no one agree. My boy gave them back to back. Anyway, because Kaybobo was coming out seeing that fans are toxic, that it was so surprising to him. And people keep yapping. You can see. So to let them know, my favorite, we aren't toxic. They always come for you unprovoked. And when the energy is returned, they will start shouting toxic or another super story. We love you too, Kaybobo. Love you, bloods. Where is the lie? We are not toxic at all. But since everybody wants to move mad, mark all of us. So I haven't seen this. We are just coming on Kaybobo, and the fans were just retaliating, fighting back at them. Those who is trying to make this a storyline. Okay, guys, so please leave our IG account alone. Why trying to hack it now? We don't do account now. Alright, that's good to see. And Kaybobo are now shoot. Okay, he said shoot. So that's more like it. Something is cooking, and this guy too has been doing great though. I'm so surprised. I'm happy. In this life, don't underestimate underrate. Don't look down on anybody, because like what the hell I'm happy for. Him at least is bagging some deals though. Like admin and stuff like that. And the other one showed it. You never know. So guys, it's giving. Why don't I know this? Chat bloggers are liars, and why isn't it posted on Jasonjae page? Oh yeah. So guys, some people like Jasonjae backed an influencer deal with an aura care brand. He is face of the. So some people like they are lying, blah blah blah. That he has not announced this. Why are you making it seems like this is what? I think this is when they were out of the house, so they went to receive their their pay for the brands they did their work in the house though. Yeah, they went out for their gig and their the gig they won in the house. Yeah, their pay. I think it was when they had this. Oh yeah, because I don't recall, because bringing this I don't think is real for now. He haven't bagged anything as such. Okay, the were still ranting is not true. Okay, so the such stories or they're relating, based on the aspect of what I just announced. Jason giving these two gifts just to make it okay. And Culture Genius said, thank you, Lord, for the gifts of life. Ending this November with my complete family, members, and loved ones. It's not easy when you're ending the month with your loved ones. There's no gift other than that, because Many people have lost their loved one, many of them, countless of them. They say, but you find yours still getting along with you to celebrate this month. No be church or celebrating. Culture bring back memory of where he was, disciplining. Yes, disciplined. When he disciplined his junior back then in the school here, he brought the clip to play where he was disciplining one of his junior, and that is what that one is Hujo, the disciplinary measure that he incur on this boy, all the so person, guys. It was much, and you bragging about that. Does it what bragging about? He was trying to prove to us that it's not your mate. Once it comes to being disciplined, that is who he is. You can only do that for your school now. You can't do that in the house, okay? Or is it because of the fracas you had with Faith? We're trying to show us that this is who I am. I don't take jokes. I don't take play. Or really, culture, you are proving yourself. Anyway, guys, see for yourself what he is trying to explain in a nutshell. During his school days, this is how he disciplined got there, and he's a mature though. And this is when he was a cadet. I don't know in their cadet school. I don't know if that is how he's been pronounced though. Anyway, not be small. Like a head inside a bucket. Oh, this one is too tough. Like, anyway, I know this will bring a huge drag. Guys, tell me why. Guys, why this is going on though, they keep, dragging, dragging Mide that she can spell very well. She said, is it every time someone can any art fitness thing? Hello, Mide, we need full picture of this dress. What is this even? Why is she even typing? She doesn't read before posting. You don't like the babe, but now when I go first view her snap, clowns. Anyway, but at times you'll be writing, typing fast, mistake it for something, and people will look like you feel like you've typed the right thing. But since we need to be looking at what we type, because having been a celebrity or being seen as a celebrity, because they'll be using it bad for you and they'll picture it in a different way. So we need to be mindful of what we put out there, because the way you perceive it might not be the way you perceive it. Anyway, Tama lost it back an influence deal for a perfume retail brand. Oh, really? Is the retail for me? What do you guys mean by that retail? Doesn't mean there is no big brand or what? Is it just a small, oh goddamn, whatsoever the case may be, it's still a brand deal, right? You guys, the way you read people and the way you make it sense. Why Miss Abela is busy celebrating her own game with a non-brand? Why? That's a good check for the both of them. They are doing good. Tama showing off. I'm happy that at least they are bagging deals in their own respective way. That's good to see. But guys, I haven't seen this. It is trending. Faith, and Faith was spotted out, yes, in his live, Snapchat. He posted where he was busy, on tennis. He was busy, playing tennis. He was just trying to do one or two, and they're just trending him. And guess what got people talking? The moment he said, haven't played since I left the house. I have been so busy. I realized today that I have only seen my mom once since I got out of the house. That was 2 months ago. You were working so hard you forget to reach out to family members and friends. I used to play pool, Bill lad. Anyway, guys, I haven't seen this. This is award win so far. So it was like he has been busy to the extent that he forgot that he has not made a mom for how many months? Does that sit well? Does that make sense? Only once that they've seen ever since he left the house. So we have not seen the mom fully. And people were like, oh, that's not good. That's not a good record. Because it may seem as though what you said about your mom in the show, that is all how people will picture it. Because this distance for your mom, that is to say you and your mom have no close relationship. That's so bad. It's so bad to see though. Anyway, guys, what do you have to say saying this? Because I felt like the mom too will be angry based on what he said about her. Because I think they will settle this, because he had a lot to say about the mom, calling the mom's name that he doesn't like the mom and give reasons. At the point too, he started feeling good about the mom though. But does it make sense? I didn't make sure. Just like what Mrs. spilled about the mom in the show though. Just like similar kinda. Not even the mom, yeah, the mom about the, what, how, although it's all over. And it's kind of similar. These two have a similar, gameplay in the house. They kind of way though, if you really watch. So anyway, they are coming for safe it, but that alone I didn't bring here, so not make headlines more about it. That's detail, guys. Can I see your review based on what he put down? Does it make sense to you on hearing that though? I think our family should be our first priorities. Yeah, first priorities. That is what some people do though. But coming off hearing this, it will look some weird, it will look weird, I'm not gonna lie, so your take is needed. In as much as the faithful will see this, they will not see the truth out of it. I want a honest faithful to spill their mind if you are indeed faithful, okay? Anyway guys, I'm hanging, catching my next clip. Bye for now.